In front of me is Infinix Hot 50 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Password Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling to hit Users and Accounts. Then hit this gear. Next to Google. Choose Google Password Manager and tap on Add Password. Now input all of those informations. And then to save them, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!